juicy and fresh, a lovely sight. In a curry, in a soup, tomatoes flavors a swoop. Brinjal, brinjal, purple delight. Cook it up, it's a sight. In a parta, in a fry, brinjal makes us reach the sky. Onion, onion, layers in a ball. Chop it up, it adds to all. In a biryani, in a dish, onions bring a tasty wish. Carrot, carrot, orange and sweet. Crunch it up, it's a treat. In a salad, in a stew, carrots are so good for you. Beetroot, beetroot, red and bright, full of goodness, such a sight. In a salad, in a juice, beetroot's health is on the loose. Capsicum, capsicum, green and red, in a stir-fry on bread. Crunchy, tasty, in a mix, capsicum is a healthy fix. Pumpkin, pumpkin, orange delight. Cook it up, it's just right. In a curry, in a pie, pumpkin makes us feel so high. Radish, radish, white and long, in a salad, it's so strong. Crunchy, spicy, good for me, radish is the key. Cabbage, cabbage, leafy and green, in a sabzi, it is seen. Shredded, cook it in a roll, cabbage is good for the soul. Cauliflower, cauliflower, white and neat, in a curry, it's a treat. Cook it soft, eat it raw, cauliflower pleases all. Beans, beans, long and green, in a garden they are seen. Cook them up, they're good for you, beans are healthy through and through. Cucumber, cucumber, cool and green, slice it up, it's fresh and clean. In a salad, as a snack, cucumber gives the crunch back. Chili, chili, spicy and hot, add a bit, it's a lot. In a curry, in a sauce, chili gives a meal a boss. Lemon, lemon, yellow and bright, add it in, it's just right. In a drink, in a dish, lemon gives a tang you wish. Potato, tomato, brinjal too, onion, carrot, good for you. Beetroot, capsicum, pumpkin delight. Radish, cabbage, fresh and bright. Cauliflower, beans, cucumbers treat. Chili, lemon can't be beat. Eat your veggies